Bakes Cakes. Today we are having kids in the kitchen again, as you can see, and we're gonna make some super cute Easter cupcakes. You guys, these are so much fun and I'm so excited to show you guys how to do it. My kids are excited to do them and they're gonna do them for you and show you how much fun you guys are gonna have doing them. Okay, so to start out, we just need obviously a cupcake. We just have chocolate cupcakes here. We've got our chocolate frosting, we have Oreos that we crushed up, and then also my tip. So I'm just using my tip 2A today, and I'll show you guys where we have to put a little hole in the middle of our cupcakes, and this is how we get a little hole. We're gonna stick it right in here. I'll show you guys up close pretty soon. We also need our orange candy melts. We're gonna melt them up and put them in this glass bowl. And we have strawberries. So you can see we have pulled up the stems on our strawberries because we're gonna make them look like carrots today. Yep, we're gonna make carrot cupcakes and I'm so excited. You guys, it's gonna be so fun and your kids are going to love this. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, I just melted those orange candy melts and now I'm putting a little bit of vegetable oil, just about a teaspoon in, and that is gonna help make it a little bit shinier. I showed you from far away, we have our strawberries and we pulled the stems up so they look a little bit more carrot-like. And then we've got our orange candy melts. We added a little bit of vegetable oil. And now we're just gonna dip our strawberries into our orange candy melts. This gets a little messy with your kids, but I promise it's fun and it'll be worth it. Okay, so we dipped it in. And we're just gonna kind of let it go. And then we'll kind of go like this on the back side. And then we're just gonna set it right there. Okay, we got a carrot. Let's go, boys. Okay, now that the boys have dipped our strawberries in the orange and we have little carrots, I'm gonna just go past and I'm just gonna make some little lines across them like this, just to finish them off. If you guys don't have a piping bag and you don't wanna do this step, that's totally fine. If you do wanna do this step but don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag and just cut the corner, and that will work just as easy. All right, to start our cute carrot cupcakes, like I told you in the intro, I have my 2A tip, and we're just gonna put it right here in the middle of our cupcake, guys. We're just gonna put it right here, put a little hole, pull it right out, and there. Now we've got a little hole, which we need to make these. And now I've got my chocolate buttercream. You don't have to use buttercream if you can just find some stuff at the store. Just some canned chocolate frosting. That works so well too. And you don't even need a piping bag for this, guys. I'm making it as easy as possible for you guys to do this at home with your kiddos. So you don't even need a piping bag. So now you just have to frost around the cupcake. You can get it in the little hole too. It doesn't have to be perfect. All I need is a little bit of frosting around our cupcake. Now that our cupcake is frosted, we are going to get our crushed up Oreos and we're gonna dump it right in to our crushed up Oreos so that we kind of have some dirt. If it's not sticking, you guys can go like this, however you wanna get those Oreos to look good. Okay, now we've got our cupcake. That is, looks like dirt and it's all super cute and fun. We are going to get our strawberry that we just dipped in our chocolate, and we're gonna stick it right here in this little hole we made. And look at that, guys. Cutest little carrot cupcakes. They're adorable. Okay, now the kids are gonna make them, and you guys can see how easy it will be for your kids to make them at home too. Now the boys are gonna decorate their cupcakes. Remember, I just cut the little holes out with our little 2A tip. If you guys don't have one of these, you can just do it with a little knife. You guys do it, not your kids, but yes. So we're just gonna frost around the sides. And this is what's so fun about having this cupcake with your kids, doing this, because it really doesn't have to be perfect. They just can go for it and just have lots of fun in the kitchen and make a mess, yes, but it's okay. It's a fun mess. And remember, you can use frosting from the can. You don't have to use buttercream. You can kind of just do whatever you want with these cupcakes, but your kids are gonna have a blast doing it. Yeah, it looks great. So now they've just frosted around the little hole we made. Now we're gonna dip it into the Oreo crumbs. As much on there as you want. It looks like dirt. That's very good. Okay, Paxton, let's put it over here for you, buddy. And now we're gonna stick the carrot right in there. Okay, Paige, lift it up and show them what you made. Awesome, super cute. Okay, Pax, stick it in there and let's finish it off, buddy. All right, can you show everybody? Very good. Good job, boys. Okay, keep working. Thanks so much for watching here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes with the kids in the kitchen today. These are super fun to make. Your kids will love it, and it's super easy, guys, and healthy because we have strawberries on them, right? Make sure and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any other suggestions of what we can do with kids in the kitchen right now, because the world is a little bit crazy and I want you guys to be able to have fun with your kids in the kitchen. So if you have any suggestions on what kind of videos we should make here, make sure and drop them in the comments. And we here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes will try and do them for you guys. All right, thanks.
Thanks for watching. Have fun making these carrot cupcakes at home.